Parking. Sounds simple, right? Well, not for these drivers. From epic miscalculations to parking jobs so bad they defy logic, we've got the funniest parking disasters ever caught on camera. Get ready to laugh, cringe, and wonder. How did that even happen? Let's dive in.
Oh,
Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, it's gonna... Ah! Sorry. I don't know.
what happened?
I don't know. It's going on my YouTube channel now.
What? You took the fault of that?
Его помощь будет заключаться.
Там нужно 2 человека, в принципе. Один держит педаль тормоза. Ой, ой. Блин, ну что вы там делаете? Ну, нормально.
Регистратор выключен.
Включен, конечно, я завидел.
Hang on. Take a picture, dude. Take a picture.
And this is what happens when you leave your car overnight under the heron's nest.
If you thought those were bad, just wait, because it only gets crazier from here. We've got cars stuck in the weirdest places, drivers taking creative parking to a whole new level, and some fails so bad you won't believe they're real. Which one has you laughing the hardest so far? Let me know in the comments. And if you love watching epic fails like this, smash that like button and subscribe. We bring you the funniest and most outrageous moments every single week, so don't miss out.
Straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit.
He's back. For parking.
Shut up, Faz.
He's in between two cars, it's gonna be easier.
No. Look.
Yeah, he's changed his mind.
He's dead, another spot. Here we go.
Without fail.
Second day in a row. Oh, no, mate. Nah, it's a fail.
Oh, he's gonna open his door and check.
Yeah, he's gonna open. Yeah, there he goes.
I got it.
No.
Okay. Open his door and check. Come on, open your door and check. Yep. That's it. Yeah, keep moving.
He's gone back to the same spot.
I know.
What a retard.
Lidička. Ne, kam jdeš? Ale ty chlapci jsou taky docela užní, ty
Co jo, no. Zarputile, pracujou, zarputile.
No počkej, ona je zarputila, koukej.
Koukám. Jak si to vysí z těch dveří. Tam má skýplý kabát normálně.
No. No a teď kdybych to fouknul tam dopředu klidně, no?
Proč to tam nedá? Teď chci asi pak vyjet hlečimákem napřed, ona se posouvání má evidentně trošku.
No je to, tyjo. A teď tam zapluj. Ne?
No. No.
Oh.
Ale je tam, hele.
That was unreal. Have you ever seen, or maybe even done, a parking fail this bad? Tell me in the comments. And if you love hilarious moments like these, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More crazy fails coming your way. See you in the next one.